Hello and welcome to HTML Basics. In this video, we'll talk about structured HTML formatting. In a previous video, we looked at some basic formatting tags. We're going to use the same document to add some structure to this. As you can see, this is a huge mess. What we see here in our HTML document is not what we see here in our HTML page. So to do that, there's some structured content that we can add. First of all, there's the break tag, which is BR. Now this is a standalone element, so there's not a closing tag that corresponds. Instead, we use a slash and a closing bracket here. And what that does is it sends the next block of text to the next line, and you can use that as many times as you want. You can send things to the next line multiple times, creating 2 lines. Another way of doing the same thing is by simply enclosing your content in a P or paragraph tag. If we do that to this sentence here, you can see there's a space added before and after our content. Another similar way of doing this that adds a certain visual element is the horizontal rule. This is HR, and it's also a standalone element. And what this does is it adds a horizontal rule, but sends the next part of the text to the next line. And the horizontal rule is on its own line itself. Another less commonly used thing is the block quote element. And this creates, as you'd expect, a block quote. Now, what this does is it sends the content to a new line, but it also indents the content. So there's a space before and after the content, but the content itself is indented. It could be useful for quotes or however you want to use it. You can always change the precise look of it later using CSS. Another somewhat less commonly used element is the pre tag. And what that is pre-formatted. So if I type here, this is some text, and enter, tab, this is some more text, and then close my pre-formatting text, and run to see how it would look in a browser, you can see it copies the formatting exactly. There's a tab here, and a tab here, just like there's 2 tabs here, and 2 tabs here. That's it for this tutorial. For more videos in this series, check out STEMtuts on YouTube, or visit us at www.stemtuts.com. Thanks for watching.